Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is special functions. So friends, bar x is equal to real j0 x into e to the power 3I pi divided by 4. So that equals to 1 by pi 0 to pi cos sin theta into d theta. So equals to, so omega equals to integration 0 to pi 1 by pi r and 0 to infinity, okay, 0 to infinity e to the power minus beta x cos x into e to the power 3 pi I divided by 4 sin theta d theta. Simple formula, okay. So d theta, okay, it is better dx into d theta. Yeah. So this portion is Laplace transformation, using Laplace transformation. So we know that Lx cos Ax is equal to e to the power beta divided by s square plus b square. So friends, I get omega is equal to beta by pi real value 0 to pi d theta beta square e to the power 3 pi I divided by 4 divided by 2 sine square theta into d theta. Okay, so this value is very simple, beta divided by pi tan theta formula. Okay, this formula is tan theta and this is the real values. So what is the important, you have to remember that L cos, okay, in here I write L cos at is equal to L cos at is equal to s divided by s square plus s square. Okay, so this is the formula. So in here you have to remember 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx cos x cos ax dx. Okay, so this is the formula, Laplace transformation formula. That formula I used in here is beta by pi real and 0 to pi okay, sorry, not 0 to infinity, this is 0 to pi d theta divided by beta square minus I sine square theta. Okay, e to the power 3 pi I by 2, formula is sine square theta. So divided by 2 is equal to minus I. So we can write this beta by pi, real number 0 to pi, and this formula can be used as 2b pi by 2. Okay, d theta into beta square minus I sine square theta, because f2a minus integration of f2a minus x is equal to fx, then it is this formula sine theta. That's why it is, we get this formula. So we can write 2 beta divided by pi is 0 to pi by 2 So 0 to pi by 2, just using one formula, that tan theta is equal to t. Okay, here is some substitution. Tan theta is equal to t. So what should I can do? In here cos square theta divided by cos square theta into sec square theta, multiply both sides. So we get sec square theta d theta into beta square sec square theta minus I divided by pi into capital R 0 to infinity sec square theta d theta is equal to beta square plus beta square minus I So tan theta is equal to, take tan theta is equal to t. Okay, in here tan theta is equal to t, you see. So just putting this value 2 beta divided by beta square plus beta square minus I into t. Okay, simple substitutions, integration. So do 2 beta divided by pi capital R 0 to infinity. So it is very simple that I get this value this way, 1 divided by so it is dy 1 plus y square. Okay, So how it is possible, friends? Because I am just doing substitutions again. So substitution, beta square minus I is equal to t into is equal to y. Okay, so just apply the substitute that take t is equal to beta divided by root over beta square minus I into y. Okay, just putting in here, so you get this value, we get this value, and again we get 2 beta divided by pi. So I get real values beta to the power root over 1 by beta square minus I into pi by 2. This value is pi by 2, pi by 2 cut, and 2 cut. So I get the real value beta real values. So beta is also okay, beta is also gone when I took this value. So beta, not beta, I get this value 1 divided by root over beta squared minus I. So this value equals to real value root over beta to the power 4 plus 1 tan inverse 1 by beta squared to the power minus half. Okay, just do it in it is I. Okay, so I can write this is I. So this way you can write, and now this value can be written as 1 by root over beta to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, and this value I into, it is not t, okay, it is I, only real value. So I into, and it is 4 beta to the power 4 cos 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 by beta square. So this value can be written, and this value can be, so it can be written root over cos theta is equal to root over this formula can be written cos 1 plus cos 2 theta formula tan inverse 1 beta square beta to the power 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So my answer is root over beta square plus root over beta to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 into root over beta to the power 4 plus 1. So thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this total concept. Please check my total work at a, hope you can